Okay, so right now, I would like to make a simple makeup tutorial kung paano magmukhang fresh, no? Magmukhang fresh kapag haggard o versosa ka na, katulad ko. So, if you are interested in knowing how to do that, please keep on watching my video. I already prepped my skin. I already moisturized my skin. So, bago kayo mag-start, gawin nyo muna yung inyong daily skincare routine like I did. Now, I would like to start with putting a water mist sa mukha ko. So, the one that I will be using is the one from rrush. Hindi ko alam kung kita kasi wala pong autofocus ng aking camera. Pasensya na. So, ayan, gagawin ko. I-spray ko na siya sa mukha ko. So fresh. I like it kapag nag-spray ako ng ganito. Especially kapag nilagay nyo sa ref, tapos spray nyo siya sa mukha. Especially summer season. Ay nako, my God. Heaven, guys. Heaven. Okay, next. Next is try to wait until all of the water mist is dry. What I will be doing now is, kasi natuyo na ang water sa aking face lock, ngayon naman ay magko-conceal naman tayo using this NYX Gotcha Covered. Since hindi naman siya makita dahil wala ngang autofocus ang aking camera. Ayan. Medyo kita naman siya. I will just put. But that's okay kung naparami. Kaya lagay nyo lang dyan to cover up all your imperfections. Napakapal. No makeup, tapos ang kapal. Fresh look daw, fresh look. Okay, so nakapag-conceal na ako at next step is I would like to apply some foundation. What I will use today is the Benefit Hello Happy. Yan. At hindi siya makita. Yan. Basta yung soft blur foundation lang na may SPF 15. Ganda na din siya. Tapos, magdadrop lang ako ng 2 drops. Like so. Ganyan. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, i-apply ko na siya sa aking face. So, what I would like to do is to put a little bit powder on my face using NYX as usual. Yung no filter, #NoFilter. Ewan ko. And then, ayan. Bali, when I'm applying a powder on my face, hindi ko siya totally pinupulpak ng lagay. Very light lang. So, ganyan lang. Brush mo. Then, pak. Ganyan. Tapos, yung ginagawa ko ganito, binabrush ko lang siya ng konti. Kasi, ayoko yung mag-create ng super kapal na powder. Ayan. Parang, inaano mo lang siya, tinatanggal mo lang ng konti yung shine. Okay, so I am already done with my eyebrows. And the one that I used is this one, dito sa my inner part. And then, yung sa my Anastasia Beverly Hills is etong shade na to from Ebony. Ginawa ko yung pinaka-outer part. Yun yung pinaka-dinarken ko. And then, as usual, ginamit ko yung tinted brows, mascara brows ng NYX. I think yung shade nito is Espresso. Wow. Social naman pagkakabasa ko. So, ayan. Bali, naayos ko na yung aking kilay. Ngayon naman, ang gusto kong gawin is gusto ko maglagay ng eyelashes sa aking pilik mata. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang maglagay ng mag-curl ng aking pilik mata. Pero bago yon ayoko ma-aksidente. Kukuha tayo ng salamin. Ayan. Tapos, mag-curl tayo. So, I am already done curling my eyelashes. Ngayon naman, ang gagawin ko is magta-tight line ako sa pinaka-lash line ko using this eyebrow pencil. Hindi ko alam kung matagal na to at hindi ko ginagamit. So, ang technique ko dito para mas mag-stay siya at mas magtagal is minimelt ko ng konti yung pinaka-product sa lighter. And then, I would apply that on my lash line. Like this. Okay, so I am already done tight lining both of my eyelashes. As you can see, medyo, ano na siya, mas fuller na yung look niya. Next, what I would like to do is to make a really thin eyeliner. I prefer to stay as close to the lash line as possible. So, kasi diba earlier, meron akong yung eyeliner na ginamit ko. Yun yung ilalagay ko ngayon dito sa area na to. Pero really thin. Parang ano lang siya, parang part lang siya ng inyong pilik mata. Ganun lang. So, ayan. Parang nilalaro ko lang yung parang nilalaro ko lang siya. Ganyan yung Okay, so I am already done with my eyelashes. Naayos ko na, eyelids. Ayan, naayos ko na, nalagyan ko na siya ng konting eyeliner. Invisible eyeliner. Next, what I would like to do is to apply some mascara on my eyes. Using, as usual, the one from Benefit, Roller Lush. Roller Lush, ayan. Yung lagi kong ginagamit as usual. Ayan, apply. Okay, so I am already done with my eyelashes. As you can see, ayan, nakapag-apply na din ako ng mascara. Now, what I would like to do is to use eye brightener pencil from Benefit. Yung kulay niya is not really totally white, which is really nice kasi ang natural looking lang niya at ang lakas niyang maka-fresh. Okay, so I would like to apply this product on my lower eye area here. Okay, so I am already done with my eyes, as you can see. Next, what I would like to do next is to apply a tint, lip tint and cheek tint on my cheeks using this one from Benefit. And then what I would like to do is to put the product onto the brush like this. Ayan, nagkalat siya sa aking skin. Ayan. Ayan. And then, apply it generously. Huwag naman masyadong makapal. Pero, like this. Ganyan. So, ayan. Huwag naman buong-muang ganun, ha? Naman ganun ang gawin nyo. Huwag naman. Okay, so, I'm quite happy with the result of my cheeks. Hindi siya super kapal. Hindi rin siya super nipis. Kumbaga, tamang-tama lang talaga. Okay, so what I would like to do next is to apply some highlighter. This light infusion from Pupa. Yung highlighter nila. And the shade is, hindi ko na mabasa dahil nagasgas na yung pinakaputan. Ang tagal na kasi nito. Basag-basag na nga eh. Actually, pero I really love this highlighter kasi it highlights really well. Kita nyo naman. Ayan, nasobrahan siya. Sobrahan. Ayan, bagasan man natin ng konti. Ayan. Okay, so, next is to highlight this part. This part here. Like this. Next is to highlight the brow bone area using the same products. But I prefer to apply it using my ring finger like this. Okay, and then also here sa highest point ng inyong kilay, kasi tinatamaan din siya ng shade ng araw. So, mas maganda siya tignan kapag medyo naka-highlight siya ng konti. Parang ano lang, parang nagsishine ka. Pero hindi naman yung shine na mala Edward Cullen. Ayan. Parang ano lang na shine, parang very soft. Very, very soft na shine lang. So, ganyan. And then, don't forget to highlight your Cupid's bow here. Ayan. Like that. Like that. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. Next, what I would like to do is to moisturize my lips. And then, apply the lipstick. And then, yung lipstick na gagamitin ko is the one from Essence, number 1, Coral Calling. Tagal lang nito, pero favorite ko talaga yung lipstick na to, super. Okay, so as usual, hindi natin po pwedeng kalimutan ang ating ilong. Ngayon na natapos na tayo sa lips, sa pag-highlight and all, ang next na gagawin naman natin is magkukontour tayo ng ilong. At gagawin ninyo ang aking itinuro noon na nakaganyan. Tapos idadab ninyo yung pinaka-tip ng daliri ninyo doon sa pinaka-pang-contour ninyo. And then, igaganyan nyo siya. Ayan, just follow. Ayan, dyan sa area na yan. So, this is the final look. I am already done with my makeup and I hope you like the look that I created for today. And sana, na-appreciate ninyo. Hindi siya super kapal, hindi rin siya super nipis, pero visible pa din na may makeup ka. Pero mapapansin mo na fresh look lang talaga siya. Kumbaga parang, okay, fresh ni ateng, ganon, di ba? Kumbaga parang, in love look. Ganon. So, I hope you like my makeup look na ginawa ko. So, anyway, I would like to thank my 29 subscribers as of today. Grabe, super nakaka-overwhelm. 29? Hindi ko yun in-expect, guys. Grabe, alam ko naman boring yung mga videos ko, pero hindi ko talaga super expected. Especially to those 4 people na laging continuously, lagi talaga sila nagla-like sa videos ko. I really appreciate that. Super natatouch ako. Kung sino man kayo, I would love to hug you all. The 4 of you, especially sa mga viewers ko na laging nanonood ng aking videos. Magpapasalamat talaga ako sa inyo. Thank you very much dun sa 29 subscribers. Ako, grabe! Heartfelt! I'm so touched! Grabe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you. Mwah! And I would like to end this video here again for saying thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Mwah! Bye!